I'll see what we can do today, guys. We probably destroyed it. Yep. Well, at least it's clean. But due to the massive, I think I drained yeah, I'm not gonna continue, that's for sure. Okay, so I submerged the car deep in water. Also bended a shock shaft. Actually my first one, I think, rather. I'm just gonna get some temp in the car so it dries out in that big puddle, deep as F. As you can see, I have sadly water in the tires. Yeah, and they are gone. That's sad. Oh. Never drive a car without a body. Oh, what the hell. Time to get a new pair of. Well, sometimes you do mistakes, that's for sure. Hopefully it's dry now so I can stop on. Well, hopefully I can get dusted one. Yeah, I can get a full set here in Sweden.